Number 10 says heparin 2500 units per hour using a 20 GTT per ml set. The solution strength is 50,000 units in 1 liter. Find the flow rate in GTT per minute. So I'm going to have to use the formula at some point. And the order is for 2500 units per hour, and our strength is 50,000 units over 1000 mLs. So that is my first step, is to set up this proportion. And my order was for 2500 units. So I'm trying to figure out how many mLs this 2500 units is. And it's going to be 50. And this is milliliters per hour because this was units per hour. So now I'm ready to do the formula. And they tell us that it is a 20 GTT per ml set. And then the 50 milliliters goes here, and the 1 hour goes here, but again we need to express this in minutes, so it is 60. So 50 times 20 divided by 60, and rounded to the nearest whole number, is 17 GTT per minute.